What you doing now, Dave?
I'm trying my super clean.
We got contacted by Super Clean to ask us to try out some of their products. They're not paying us to do this, they're just asking us for our opinion. So they sent us Super Clean Foaming, dissolves grease. Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser, dissolves grease. A Super Clean All-Wheel Cleaner. Super Clean Degreaser, dissolves grease. And also a floor absorbent that absorbs spills. So Dave's going to try this on a couple of different things and see how he likes it. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Super Clean can be used on engines, tools, grills, driveways, outdoor furniture, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete, and many other cleaning uses.
It also says that it's biodegradable. Man, is this going to put my brake cleaner out of business?
Oh.
No. Just trying it on the smoker, seeing that's about the greasiest thing I can find right now.
With years of buildup on it?
Oh yeah, it's got a couple years of grease buildup in it.
Yeah, it's looking a little...
It's looking a little greasy.
Yeah.
You go put Super Clean to the test here. Putting it on those parts.
Look at the door.
Yeah, the door's starting to ooze and gooze already.
Cool. Gotta let it sit for a little bit, but don't let it dry.
That's what it says.
I would say do this outside whenever possible, because whoops, it smells a little bit like oven cleaner.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, give it about 10 minutes. See now it's getting a little greasy.
I'm gonna do the sides too.
Yeah.
With the spray, okay. It's been abused.
I think about the only thing to make this thing look like new is maybe a burial.
Ooh, it's really been doing something inside this door. I think you're going to have to spray the top.
Got the grates looking pretty good.
Yeah. That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
I was getting ashamed to put it away.
Oh, it feels nice and clean.
I mean, it's pretty clean in there considering what it was. That's clean there. I give that a 10 on that. And that thing was caked down there like you wouldn't believe.
What are you going to do with these rags?
I'm going to put a little of this on my dirty rags and see if it cleans the grease off of them. Get tired of buying rags. Might work on laundry, you know. Well, that's good.
I don't have any fear of putting that in the washer now. This is a shirt. He wears this when we're traveling because it's orange, and if he has to get out of the truck, people will be able to see him. And for whatever reason, this thing always gets super dirty. So I'm going to give it a try on here too. Well, here's the orange shirt. There's that shoulder that was so dirty. And this looks pretty darn good. Got a little leftover stain there.
From the smoker?
Uh-huh.
And what do we got here?
That's the foaming.
Super Clean Foaming.
Now let's sit for a minute.
Yeah.
Get some on that big spot there.
Alright, here we go. Oh, look at that. Wipes it right up.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
So we are going to try the Super Clean All-Wheel Cleaner. This one does not say biodegradable. They say to do one wheel at a time.
We'll do a test. That'll tell us.
Put her down. Now spray it up.
Get all the holes. Not too bad. Can't tell where that streak was. A little bit, just a little.
I can't see it. Oh, just barely. I mean, you really got to work at looking at it.
Yeah.
This stuff works great.
Yeah, it does.
What did you spray that super clean on? What is that?
That's the grease trap for the grill.
Oh.
Got that pretty clean. You can get it from our Amazon store. Linked in the description below. Super clean.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.